Hi everyone, how are you? On today to do a flip through of the recent journal I've made. It's just from a recycled cardboard box. I'm not sure if I have the video up of me making this one, the process video of making it. I might. But anyway, this is the finished journal. It has 3 signatures sewn in with the pamphlet stitch down there, and I decided to put some, what's this called? Oh, do I have to start this again? No, I'm not going to. Oh, my brain's not working. Okay. Right, let's start again. I've put some, I still can't think of what it's called. It's not lace. Oh, let's just call it trim. Some cotton trim, cotton lace trim. There we go. Okay. All right. I don't know whether I'm going to edit this out or not. So anyway, let's go. Let's get on. Oh, goodness me. You know when you just have one of those days? I'm really having it. Okay, I've got 3 signatures sewn in from, it's a recycled cardboard box that had the kids' snacky treats in it. I've put an eyelet through here and at the back, and it closes with this bit of ribbon closure, and it goes, the ribbon closure comes out the front and the back, and it goes all the way through underneath, but you can't see it because I've actually put, I'm getting better at doing this. And we've got a blooming plane. Okay, our plane's gone, and I think my brain started working now. Like as I was saying, I am getting a lot better with making my journals, because that has actually got a piece along the spine on the inside, and it strengthens the spine as well. It's a pretty not loose, but flexible cover, this one. And I've just cut out a little birdie here from some music sheet paper. The theme of this is actually birds. I've left the cover plain because I don't know whether I'm going to keep it or whether I'll actually give it away. And I like leaving the covers plain because if I do give it away, they can decorate it however they want. So the theme is birdies, and these pictures, a good couple of years ago, a friend gave me this old book, and it was just it was ripped, but it had beautiful Australian birds in it, and I've still got a heap of the bird pictures. I'll just show you quickly. Look at this. This was once a book. Oh, I've got to it a bit now, but when I got it, the pages were all torn out. So I said, no, I'll have it. I'll have the pictures. And I had it stashed away in a box, and I'd forgotten all about it because we moved back down to Tweed. And then the other day when I decided to make another couple of journals, I thought, what was in that box that we had stored out in the garage? And I had a look, and I found all the bird pictures, and I thought, oh yes, it's got to be a bird journal, Australian bird journal, junk journal. So I'll go through. This one here has got so many ribbons up the top, and that's got a big pocket at the front, and I've got there we go, and that's got a pocket there. And some of these tags, I was in a tag swap and I was given them, so I have cut a couple down and put an image on them. So that one goes there. Got some graph paper. Oh, am I in shot yet? A little cork heart. There's another little tuck spot. I did do some stamping of birds on the tags. Some music sheet paper, doily, a little bit of stamping up there. And I'm still trying to use up all these papers I dyed too, so that was really good. That was a card. There's another little tuck spot there for a tag. And I made, excuse me, these papers here with the little, yeah, you can see the little spray on them. I made up some of my own sprays and just used them on these. I was trying them out on these papers and I thought, yeah, why not use the papers in here as well. There's a little side pocket. Another little top pocket. The pictures of the birds are just so gorgeous. And I gather they're all Australian because the front page that was partly ripped said Australian birds. So another little bottom pocket. Oh, I'm home alone today with Bob, and he's just annoying me so much. He keeps dive bombing me, little bugger. There's another. This is an envelope, and all the the middle seams are like this because I tied it on the back and then put this over it so you can't see it. That's like a little belly band with the bird picture. Cherish each day. The little tuck spot. There's plenty of spots in here for journaling. There's another little one. It's just a bit of paper that I'd painted on, made it into a little tag. There's a little pocket up the top there. That's just a picture. I just put that on there. These cards are pretty old, and a couple of them had a few spots of staining on it. Oh, is that from the yellow? No. Some stamping down the bottom. The other side of the doily. There's another, oh, Bob. There's another big pocket there. And another one here. This is the second signature now. And that's got a really big pocket on it. And I just stamped, oh, that picture's stamped on the back, so I just put a bird cage on the front there. And some feathers. Another big pocket. I think I've got too many dangles on here. They keep getting caught up with each other. Some more stamping, birds, little whimsical birds. Another little cork heart. There's another big pocket there. It's just got, that was previously stamped too. It's another little thinner pocket. Why can't I get that in? I'll fix that up. Okay, so I'll keep going. There's another little one there, the tag. I just made that into a pocket. That's a part of the picture from the front page of the book. And this is another envelope in the centre. A couple of pockets and birdie pictures on them. And here's another little pocket. You can hear Bob in the background. He's not happy. He's home alone with me. And I still ignore him sometimes. Another little pocket there. That's a side pocket, a big side pocket. Oh, this paper here, that was a colour chart, a Bristol colour chart that I'd cut down. Thought, yeah, that fit in there really well. I've got a bit of glue there. Bob, shush. This is, I stuck this bird picture down here because there was a little bit of staining on this card, and just made a little tuck pocket down the bottom. There's one with the bird cage on it again. Aren't they pretty coloured birds? What are they? The Crimson Chat. That's the female and that's the male. They're so pretty. Look at those. Aren't they gorgeous? Okay. And that's just a little chipboard birdie. And here's the third signature. There's a big pocket there. Some emus. That's just, I've left it up for a little tuck spot. Cherish each day. There's another pocket. There's another little one. Oh, it's just dawned on me. I've got a themed bird book and I've got our budgie going off in the background. See, I'm not slow, am I? Not much. There's another pocket there with the bird cage on the tag. Another tuck spot. Maybe he doesn't... Oh, stop it. Maybe he doesn't like my bird book. There's a little tuck spot down there. A little pocket. I was going to just put all bird tags and things like that in there, but I just thought, oh, a bit too much because I don't want to take away from the pictures. Isn't that gorgeous? What's that one? Eastern Swamp Hen. That one's so pretty. Look at the colours. And we had two kookaburras. Oh, they were laughing and cackling yesterday afternoon. They were really going off. That's just a little side tuck spot. Here's another pocket. There's a big side pocket. Some more journaling spots. Another pocket. They're pretty birds. Firetail finch. They're nice ones. There's another little pocket there. Some graph paper and that paper. And then I've just put, I was trying to match up the paper at the back with the front that I put down, but I didn't quite have a piece long enough, so I had to split this top one and then just put this on the bottom, so I decided to turn that into a pocket. Nice big one at the back, and just put on another whimsical bird. So there you have it. I hope you like it. And it just ties together like that with this bit of ribbon. So there we go. Oh, it's not down properly. Another journal from me. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this one. I'm still using my 2015 journal. And this is my 2015 one. And I've still got, like, I'm not even halfway through it. So I think I might just keep carrying on with this one here. And just finish this one up before I actually start any more, start writing in any more journals. So knowing me, I'll most probably give it away. I might have a challenge. That might be the go. I have a birthday coming up next month. So maybe I should have a birthday challenge and give it away. That's if anybody would like to win it. No pressure. It's got the feathers on the outside, so it's still bird themed, isn't it? Okay, I've rambled on enough. You can tell I'm lonely, can't you? I've got this is, what day is it today? It's Tuesday. A couple of days before New Year's Eve. And my husband's out getting his hair done, and the kids are still away on holidays. And I've had all this time to do anything I want, and I just can't seem to focus. And another plane's coming, so I'm going to go. Oh my God, this is so long. Okay, bye-bye. Thanks for watching.